So guys, to open the Alhilal digital bank account, start by downloading the Alhilal Bank app. If you are looking for a zero balance account with no minimum sale requirement, stick around because this might be the right option for you. Go ahead, open the app and tap on Start Exploring. As you can see on the screen, start by entering your mobile number. Verify it by entering the OTP that will be sent to you. On the new screen here, start entering your personal details, starting with your name, your date of birth, your nationality, plus your email address. Go ahead, enter your gender, agree to the terms and conditions, and tap on the next button. So guys, here it's very easy. Set a passcode that you use to access your Alhilal digital banking app. Again, confirm this passcode. To move to the next step, tap on the next button. Select your interests to help Alhilal Bank customize your app. Before we tap here on apply for an account, let us first verify our email address. So open your email, tap on the link that has been sent to you from Alhilal Bank. You will automatically be redirected back here to the Alhilal digital banking app. So tap on apply now. As you can see on the screen, we are now opening our Alhilal Bank account, which is fully Sharia compliant. You will get 2 accounts with just the same effort. You will also be able to deposit and withdraw cash using Alhilal and ADCB ATMs all over UAE. To start, simply click on Let's Get Started. Select whether you want to open a current or a savings account, or you can select both these accounts. This means we are opening both the current and savings account right on the spot. So go ahead, read through the terms and conditions, agree to them, and then tap on Let's Go to move to the next step. Here, you can choose to continue with your UAE pass. In this case, your documents like your Emirates ID will be automatically downloaded. This is good and it simplifies everything, making Alhilal Digital Bank one of the easiest accounts you can open without need of more documentation. So once your Emirates ID has been shared, move on by simply tap on Scan your original passports, give Alhilal Bank app access to your camera, and then start scanning your documents. Keep in mind, you don't need your original passport. You can still scan a copy and everything will be just fine, just like how I have done right now. So, once your passport copy has been scanned successfully, all your personal information will be revealed. Review this information. If it's correct, then tap on Confirm and Continue. Finally, on this step again, review and verify both your Emirates ID and passport information. Make sure it's correct to avoid any delays. Move on onto the next step. Okay, answer this additional information question. Enter the purpose why you're opening this account, plus your expected transaction amount per month. To finalize our Alhilal digital account opening process, enter your employment status, your company name, plus your monthly income. Also enter other relevant information like your source of income, your designation, and your company industry. Select whether you have an additional source of income. Agree to the terms and conditions of this service. Tap on Next to move on. Now, here you have to enter your complete address information. Remember, this will facilitate your debit card delivery. So, enter all the necessary information and then confirm your address. Answer whether you are a USA citizen, your country of birth, city and place of birth. Tap on Next. And lastly, complete the tax self-declaration form and make sure all the information you have entered is correct. To finalize our account opening, simply agree to the terms and then click here on the Submit button. Wait for 2 to 5 business days for your account to be approved. Basically, the Alhilal Digital Bank account is not a zero balance account. But all you have to do to avoid minimum balance fees is transfer your salary to this account. And if you need an account that is 100% zero balance, the video on the screen will guide you.